Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We had a surprise penny list today, more of a clear out of that clearance section and items that have been living there rent free forever, including this big thing of diapers, 1 cent. Lots of cleaning products, new hair dyes, batteries, probably one of my favorite all-time ever penny finds ever. These Rubbermaid containers, everything 1 cent on this table, which is, just amazing, doing a Snoopy dance, and more foam plates. So we're going to get into this. I'm going to tell you where I found everything in the store. There are so many items that it's almost impossible that the employees can remove them. And even like this item that's found in the regular pet aisle, it's a penny. So we'll go through this bite by bite, line by line, and let's get right to it. All the new shoppers out there, here's the deal. You're going to scan the UPC, which is that barcode on the back. If it rings up 0.00, you're working in exacts. Not something that looks similar, but the exact item I'm showing you. It should bring up a penny for you at the register. Here's the receipt. I know a lot of you don't believe when I say this stuff. And to be honest, I have been penny shopping for 10 plus years. I have never seen batteries as part of this, especially like Energizer. So we're going to talk right about the batteries right off the bat. Find it likely in the clearance section. You will not find this on the regular shelves. I didn't, and I went to many stores looking in the regular shelves. These are the 2 counters of the Energizer, and then there's another one. It's called Everyday, and then there's one that's also in the clearance section that is full price. But in this regular aisle, I mean, you can go and check, but I think they're changing the packaging. They want like larger counts so they can make more money. Hey, it's the Dollar General. So to get these batteries for a penny, and yes, I did share with other people. I just didn't like grab everything and like run for the car. So I'm just delighted with this. So it's this it's the triple A's, right? $1.95. Even when it's on clearance for like, 90 cents or whatever, people would probably want them, but here's the UPC. And yeah, definitely be on the lookout for this in the clearance section. That's where it should be, or the next clearance event that they have, which will be Labor Day in a couple weeks. We have the double A's. Again, this is a 2-pack. And here's the UPC. And this one item, I think we were completely out of double A batteries. We do eat them in our house. So I'm so delighted by that. Even with Christmas around the corner, a lot of gifts we give need batteries. So I'm ready. These C batteries, I remember we used to get them for free all the time at Walgreens, but they were a penny. And there's also the square one that I saw on other people's hauls that was a penny. I did not find any of the square batteries though. Now, what is not part of it is this. This is still ringing up for $3, so just be careful of that. The triple and the double A's with that cat. So the cat is bad news. So on end caps or near the pet aisle or in the pet aisle or in the clearance section, you'll find these Forever Pal. It is an all-purpose pet mat. Special shout out to my friend Karen for telling me about this. I did find a bunch at a store. I have a lot of people that have a lot of pets, so they will all be put into good use. But to pay a penny for these, they have the cute little paw prints on them. Absolutely adorable. And this is a newer item too. It's not old. So delighted to find this for a penny. I mean, it was just my day, and it wasn't in the regular clearance aisle. And these are the 124 count of the size 4 diapers. They no longer sell these Gentle Step, which is the Dollar General brand of these diapers. Found it in the clearance aisle on a bottom shelf. It went through many rounds of the clearance event and nobody wanted it. So to pay a penny for 124 diapers, I mean, it's absolutely incredible. These giant baby bottles that have like 7 items inside of them, and they've been again in every single clearance event, probably still living in that clearance aisle or maybe on a sky shelf in the baby aisle. By Cribmates, anything by Cribmates, use that app to scan the barcode to see if it's a penny, because I'm noticing a lot of this stuff is a penny. And here's the UPC, both the boy and the girls, so the blue and the pink, both a penny. So that's pretty great. A lot of these Gentle Step pacifiers, also a penny. They had the pink and the blue. So just be on the lookout for those. And here is the UPC. I think they just want a good and healthy amount of these items out of the store. And they're just doing a little bit here, a little bit there. It seems like the last couple weeks. This is another Cribmate sippy bottle. So the packaging looks extra rough, but I mean, put it through the dishwasher once. I think it'll be perfectly fine. And here is the UPC. So, like, I wish you guys really good luck. The more that you have an idea visually of what you're looking for, I think the easier it'll be. This is probably another one of my favorite finds because I love throwing everything in the freezer. See how it says Easy Find Lids by Rubbermaid? This one. That's what you're looking for. Look for it in the regular aisle with the Tupperware or the clearance section. I found 3 at one store, and that was my Super Bowl moment finding these. I mean, batteries, gold medalist, but this is also like the solid silver medalist. Finding Rubbermaid for a penny. I mean, are you serious? Yeah, I did scan a whole bunch of other containers. They all rang up full price, but this, for whatever reason, yeah, I'll take that all day, every day. And I'm just like really excited. Anything by True Living, which is the Dollar General brand, these mini containers. Hey, you have a sourdough starter, you want to give a couple ounces to your mother-in-law. This is perfect, 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 perfect. And like a penny for 3 of them, or snacks for your kids. I mean, it's absolutely ideal. I only found one of these. It's another True Living container, this weird turquoise color. I only found one, and I found it in the regular aisle with all the other Tupperware. I'm very happy with the Tupperware I find, because sometimes this stuff can be overwhelming where everything looks identical and I don't know the difference between one and the other. I'm just not like, sometimes I get lost there, but yeah, I was delighted to find one. Now, the pet stuff, anything Forever Pals, definitely scan. This is a little thing to make litter boxes smell a little more joyous, I guess. And here's the UPC. I think it's a little hanger that you would put near a litter box. And then a lot of the leashes and stuff for the doggos. Everything I was finding was full price, but I did find 4 of these collars. And even if you wanted to donate them to your local SPCA, I think they would be absolutely delighted to get a couple of these. So, yep, happy to get these dog collars and, have plans for those as well. And this, it's called Hearts. A lot of the tick stuff, the little like oils and sprays and potions and whatever, all of it was full price for me. But this one shampoo was a penny, which is a really great price point, isn't it? Definitely scan this stuff, see if there might be inventory at your location before you head out, or so you just have the visuals. The Hanes, this is some tank tops. It's a little 3 counter. I think more of this stuff also pennied out. So, yep, be on the lookout for those. 6 counts of the men's Hanes briefs. Also a penny. So I don't know if this store they pennied out like last week and nobody picked them up. But here's the UPC. Very happy to find these. So definitely anything that looks like underwear, just scan all of it because you might be shocked that it'll ring up a penny. This Raid Max, for those that are very well versed in penny shopping, how old is this penny? Did it penny out today, or has it been from like 20 years ago? Because I don't like, it seems like it's older. So I found 4 of those at one store. Absolutely shocked with what I found. Now this is the Dollar General True Living brand. It's their dupe of a Swiffer, and I believe Swiffer pads will fit that perfectly. And it's called the True Living Sweep Mop Starter Kit. So there's a couple pads in there, and I mean, it's not a Swiffer, but it is a Swiffer. Like, it'll take all the pads and stuff. Here's the UPC for this friend. And if you deal with a lot of knots in your hair, you need a really good conditioner. I always like buying these dye kits and then using the conditioner. So I was delighted. I think I found 4 or 5 of these L'Oreal's, and I think they either pennied out with the beauty stuff or they're just new to me. So I bought them all because I wanted the conditioner. I found the most of this one. So you might want to keep your eye out for this beautiful lady. And if you've ever used hair dye, the shampoo conditioner that they have in these kits, it's like magic. Also have the Comfort Bay, which is a Dollar General brand. These are little seashells that go on the base of your tub so you don't slip and fall. I mean, just a really smart item to be picking up. I think anybody, you have one bad fall in the bathtub, that could be it. You could really hurt yourself. And the final item that I found today are these dryer balls. I've never found them before, but they look really interesting. Another True Living product, so you know that is a Dollar General product. So I would definitely get out to your store if some of this stuff looks familiar or you're like, hey, I saw that before. Why not? Give it a shot. And I wish you guys good luck. Bye.